And speaking of minds, what do we know about how nutrients reach the brain? Well, you might remember that the way nutrients reach brain cells is a bit different from the rest of the body. That's because brain cells are precious. We don't want to lose them because they don't replenish the way, say, our skin cells do. Our experiences are written into the physical and physiological features of our neurons, and we don't want to lose our memory of our grandmother, for example, because we ate a bad oyster, which obviously is impossible, but you get the point. The immune system largely functions by killing cells infected with foreign invaders. Well, we can't use that system in the brain the same way that we use it in the rest of the body. So instead of sending out troops of killer cells, nature built a fortress around the brain called the blood-brain barrier. It's essentially just a network of blood vessels with cells that are much more tightly packed, preventing large molecules from being able to cross into the brain. But that means that important nutrients are also shut out. So the brain has a complex system of cells that do security checks, letting in the good nutrients and passing them along to the right brain cells, and keeping out the suicide bombers, for the most part. You might also remember that the brain is hungry. It's a metabolically costly organ, taking up only 2% of body mass but guzzling around 20% of its fuel. That's why it's hard to think when your blood sugar is low.